Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the ringtone section. Right now we got the Celeste sound on our device, and now just to mute your ringtones, switch the sound to the don't send ringtone, and now we'll just can see the changes, and now we have set it a ringtone sound on our device, and by this way you can mute all your ringtones. Also, we got the second way how we can do that, just to swipe with our finger the volume panel of our calls, reminders and notifications, but by this way you will also mute your notifications and reminders. So I suggest you to use this first way. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.